Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I came back from Vietnam last week, can you tell? And it was such a fun time, I tell you. And so I thought in this video I'll recommend you guys some products that I took with me, like skincare and hair care and body care edition that will come in handy for your next vacation, and all of these are available on Amazon. And I know this seems a lot, but I will explain it to you while going in the video. Now without further ado, let's get started. और पता है बहुत सारे इसमें से products हैं जिनके बारे में मैं अपनी शायद बहुत सारी videos में बात कर चुकी हूँ, because these are like my OG products and I want you guys to try it at least once and see for yourself how good it is. Okay, so the first thing that I want to recommend, especially if you're going like on a beachy vacation, Saya sunscreen. इसका bottle भी अभी नहीं है मेरे पास because I finished it in Vietnam only, and you can see me applying it there, and it is so good. Like the for body sunscreen, if you're looking for one, and especially if you want to go into waters and you want something waterproof, this is the sunscreen that you want to go for. And another one that I took with me is this one, Dot and Key sunscreen. Now this one is also oil based, so this one is also waterproof, but mostly मेरा वही यूज़ हुआ था. But I took this one with me just for the backup of it. And लगे अगर आपको लगता है कि इतनी भी एक्सट्रीम धूप नहीं होने वाली है, so you can go for this one. This one's 40 SPF and that is 60 SPF, so you can choose as per your liking. This is how you just spray it all over your body and apply it. This one's so good ना. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो स्प्रे वाली सनस्क्रीन्स होती है, स्पेशली फॉर बॉडी, दे आर सो हैंडी एंड ईजी टू अप्लाई. And you can see, as this one's a little oil based too, it does give you some shine on your body. Now if you are someone who does not like applying products in spray form, then I have one more recommendation for you for like a body sunscreen. इसलिए तुम्हें यहाँ पे बड़े सारे products दिख रहे हैं क्योंकि I have one of each and I carried with me this size. Like this one's from Vaseline. It's their Gluta SPF 50 sunscreen. As you can see, मैं अपने साथ ये वाला size लेके गई थी. I kept it in my bag all the time because these bottles are more than 100 ml and 100 ml तुम्हें check in में भेजना पड़ता है, and एकदम handbag में कुछ चाहिए हो तो I kept this one with me. And yeah, this one's really easy to apply. Again, it comes in like this, moisturizer. Sorry. It comes in like this moisturizer form and you just apply directly on your skin, and it's gender neutral. The fragrances are very light except the Asaya one. जो असाया का सनस्क्रीन है ना, उसका जो फ्रेग्रेंस है, इट इज़ अ लिटिल स्ट्रॉन्ग, बट पर्सनली आई लाइक दैट फ्रेग्रेंस. तो अगर आपको कुछ बहुत लाइट फ्रेग्रेंस में चाहिए, देन गो फॉर दिस वन. एंड इफ़ यू वांट लाइक काइंडा लाइक फ्रेग्रेंस फ्री प्रोडक्ट, देन गो फॉर दिस वन. इट डजंट हैव एनी फ्रेग्रेंस, बट इट डज हैव लाइक अ सटल केमिकल वाला स्मेल. इफ़ यू आर ओके विद दैट, देन गो फॉर this. I have recommended a lot of sunscreens, I know, but I'm telling you, these products are so good. Okay, next sunscreen. I know I am still on the topic of sunscreen, guys, because I think when it comes to vacation, especially if you're going to like a summer wala place, and you need good sunscreens. Okay, now I want to recommend one more spray wala sunscreen. This one's good for your body and for your face. I personally like to use it on my face, like if I wanna retouch my sunscreen even over my makeup. By the way, this is the one I go for. ये भी almost खत्म हो गया. I have to order a new one. This one has like a really nice rose वाला smell. बहुत ही प्यारा इसका fragrance है, super light, and this is how it is. Again, very fine spray mist, and I just apply it over my makeup, and it does give you a refreshing look as well. So you can see it's rose water sun mist, and it's SPF 50 plus UVA, UVB, PA double plus. I absolutely love this. And so girls, if you're watching this and you're looking for like a mist sunscreen for your face to reapply after every 2 hours, go for this one. It's amazing. Now let's come back to more sunscreens for our face actually. ये बिल्कुल empty bottle है. I have recommended this so many times now. This is by Dot & Key, by the way. I am in the shade Sand. This is basically a tinted sunscreen. If you're someone who doesn't like to wear so much makeup when you're traveling, then go for this one. It's gonna be a lifesaver for you. Look at the tint, and जो इसका texture है, it's super lightweight. It's like you're applying a serum on your face. ठीक है? And this is how it looks. And it does give you like a even skin tone, and it blends so nicely in your skin. Let me just see. बहुत ही मस्त look आता है ये sunscreen लगा के, guys. I'm not even kidding. If you know my friends personally, you can ask them. I have recommended this to everybody, and I just want you guys to try it for yourself. You're gonna love it if you are still not in love with it. And yeah, this one is again SPF 50 plus, as you can see, so it is gonna protect your skin, but it is gonna give you like a tinted look. Now when I talk about this sunscreen, the only makeup product I think that I wanna recommend is this setting spray by L'Oreal. ये भी भाई almost खाली हो चुका है. This is, I don't even remember ये मेरा कौन से नंबर का बॉटल है, because मैं ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हूँ. So I was in Vietnam and बहुत ही ज़्यादा humidity थी, and humidity melts your makeup. So you need some sort of setting spray that, you know, just fixes your makeup like that. And it does. Like मतलब 5-6 घंटे बाद भी भाई मेरा मेकअप वहीं का वहीं होता था, just because I have used this. मैं अभी एक बार लगा चुकी हूँ अपने फेस पे वीडियो से पहले, so I'm not gonna do it again. But yeah, this one is also in like really fine spray form. And ये इसके बहुत मिक्स रिव्यूज़ मैं सुन चुकी हूँ. काफ़ी लोगों को ये नहीं अच्छा लगता है because they think it's like too strong for their face. तो basically अगर ये आपके बालों पे भी चला जाएगा ना, your hair will stay in place. ठीक है? So some people compared it to a hairspray also. I don't know if that's true, but I've been using it from last 1 year, and touch wood मुझे मेरी skin पे ऐसा कुछ problem नहीं लगा है, and I have like a very sensitive skin too, so just do a patch test before you use it. But I personally love this product. Okay, बीच में मैंने इसे घुसा दिया, but I have more sunscreen recommendations for you. So this sunscreen is amazing, guys. This is again from Dot & Key. Yes, these are very affordable products, by the way, that I'm recommending you. यहाँ पे भी 2 bottle है मेरे पास, because this one's like a smaller one that you can keep in your handbag. And if you want, like, because me and Shruti were traveling, so we needed like you know, a lot of sunscreen, and I kept the bigger one in my check-in bag. And yeah, he also loves it. Like, this is the only sunscreen that my husband applies. So it's again super lightweight. The texture is like, look at this, very serum like, and you can definitely recommend it to your boyfriends, brothers as well. If they don't use the sunscreen, like, just tell them to use this one. And if you have like ऑयली स्किन, इसका ऑयली स्किन वाला भी एक वेरिएंट आता है, यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. बट अगेन दिस इज़ लाइक अ नॉर्मल सनस्क्रीन. अगर आपको टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन के लिए नहीं जाना है, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दिस स्किन. अब मुझे लग रहा है कि ना ये वीडियो का टाइटल मुझे सनस्क्रीन रिकमेंडेशन रखना चाहिए था, बिकॉज आई थिंक 6 प्रोडक्ट मैंने सनस्क्रीन के तुम्हें रिकमेंड कर दिए हैं. So I hope it helps. Okay, next product that I have, next product that I have is this roll-on by Dove. You guys, this one smells so fresh ना. I absolutely love its fragrance. Like, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा fresh लगता है. ऐसा लगता है कि अभी shower लेके मैं बाहर आई हूँ. And it's not that sticky roll-on that you get. It's very like moisture like. तुम्हें दिख भी नहीं रहा होगा मेरे हाथ में, ये इतना लाइट वेट है, बट इट एक्चुअली हेल्प्स मी, यू नो, स्मेल फ्रेश ऑल डे. एंड इट्स सो कॉम्पैक्ट. यू कैन कीप इट इन एनी ऑफ योर बैग ऑल्सो एंड जस्ट रीअप्लाई इट ऑन योर आर्मपिट्स. दिस इज़ लाइक माई सेवियर. एंड इसको यूज़ करते हुए मुझे एक्चुअली 6-7 ईयर्स हो गए हैं. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक सच अ लव्ड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ माइन. and I don't think I can ever get over it. Okay, next product that I want to recommend is, I think, very, all those products I wanted to recommend कि मुझे लगता है वो तो ज़रूरी ही है, like sunscreen, उसमें से तुम कुछ भी choose कर सकते हो, but these are very like your choice वाला, like तुमको चाहिए कि नहीं, but I would still recommend these because I took them with me. Now, one thing that I want to recommend is a tinted lip balm, because when you're traveling you cannot always reapply your lipstick. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हारे lips बहुत dry भी हो जाते हैं, like मेरे personally lips बहुत dry हो जाते हैं, because मैं क्या करती हूँ ना, होटल से निकलने से पहले आई जस्ट अप्लाई वन लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, एंड वो काफ़ी टाइम चलती है बाय द वे, एंड देन इफ़ यू वांट टू रीअप्लाई समथिंग यू डू वांट टू नरिश योर लिप्स, सो जस्ट अ गुड tinted lip balm helps. This one's from Indie Wild. This is in the color, थोड़ा brownish सा इसका color है, and ये जो इसका नाम है, it's Masala Chai. Wait, I'll show you the tint. This is how the color looks like. It's really pretty. I have the pink one also. This one, I don't know where I've kept it, but yeah, you get it. Get like a good tinted lip balm. Next two products that I want to recommend are from the hair care category. So, love this serum by L'Oreal. It's their 6 प्रेशियस फ्लोरल ऑयल्स. इसका बड़ा वाला बॉटल तुम यार कांच का होता है, वो हर जगह कैरी नहीं कर सकते हो. दिस वन, द लिटिल वन कम्स इन लाइक प्लास्टिक बॉटल एंड इट्स सुपर सुपर ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली. आई जस्ट अप्लाई दिस वंस आई वॉश्ड माई हेयर, एंड यू नो जब थोड़े डैम्प हेयर होते हैं, जस्ट अप्लाई दिस. इट इज़ रियली गुड. इट मेक्स योर हेयर softer and just feels nice. The other hair product that I want to recommend is this hair stick by Indie Wild. Look at me in these pictures. My hair was so dirty now. I wanted my hair to look a little decent, so I just used this hair stick. It's basically like a wax stick, but this one's more nourishing. Like इसमें बहुत अच्छे oils use किए हुए हैं, तो तुम्हारे बालों को भी harm नहीं होगा, but you will have that sleek look for your hair. So you can definitely check this one out. There's like a lot of, you know, such hair sticks, and this by far is one of my favorites, and this looks good also. So yeah, this was everything that I took on my vacation and wanted to recommend to you guys. If you're planning a beach vacation soon or anywhere जहाँ पे बहुत गर्मी होने वाली है, you can carry the sunscreen for sure. And yeah, हर बार की तरह सब links जो है description में है. Make sure that you check them out. Also, let me know in the comments if you would love to watch my Vietnam shopping haul. I didn't shop like a lot in Vietnam, but I still did. Like, hello, I'm just a girl. चलते फिरते थोड़ी बहुत shopping हो जाती है. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you would be interested in watching that. And yes, make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. Happy shopping. I'll see you in the next video.